Have you ever wondered how broken railway tracks are repaired quickly and efficiently? Well, the answer lies in a fascinating process called thermite welding, which involves a special bag, clay, and a mix of unique materials and metal. The procedure begins by placing a specialized bag on the separated railway track and securing it firmly in place. Next, heated clay is applied, followed by the addition of a proprietary material and a blend of various metals. The mixture is then ignited, causing all the components to fuse together seamlessly. Once cooled, excess material is trimmed away using a specialized machine, leaving the track perfectly joined and ready for use.